No bathing ponds again. And
Coastal waters from South Santee River to Edison Beach, South Carolina, out 20 nautical miles until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Bulls Bay, moving northwest at 10 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 35 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Capers Island Buoy, Capers Reef, Bulls Bay, Jimmy Leland Tug, Bull Breakers. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats. Hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Synopsis for the